Good afternoon. Today we have another request from my granddaughter Emma. Today we will be reading Big Bird's Busy Day, a Sesame Street Golden Book. Written by Jesse Smith and Ellen Appleby. Good morning, Radar. Time to get up. It's another busy day on Sesame Street. Let's eat breakfast. Let's clean our nest, because it's very important to clean your nest. That's right. We have important things to do at the playgroup. There's Ernie painting. There's Big Bird. We like digging in the sandbox. Only dig where you're supposed to dig. We like swinging. We like playing. Playing hopscotch. Quiet time. Dinner time. Lots of birdseed. Bath time. Big Bird's bird bath. It's a Big Bird bath. Story time. Big Bird's reading to Radar. Good night, Radar. Tomorrow is another busy day. Sleep tight. The end.